What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Got a new part installed on the truck. It's this Stillen cold air intake scoop. It replaces the factory radiator cover, allows for more airflow into the intake hole that runs through the airbox, keeping air intake temps down. As you can see, if you come behind the grill, you can kind of see the scoop back there that catches the air. It actually doesn't interfere with the shutters. They're not even close. Has this little piece in here that just uses push pins to hold that in place. All you have to do to install it, take these pins out that go all the way around the sides and take the hood latch off with these two bolts. Luckily, they give you a screwdriver to take those off with if you don't have the right size. But overall, I think it looks a lot better than the stock radiator cover, you know. So let me know what y'all think of it. Do y'all have this on your truck? You can get it for the Chevy Silverado 1500s, the GMC 1500s, and I think they also have a version for the 2500s. I'm not too sure. But let me know what y'all think. Leave a like, comment, subscribe for some more content on this truck coming up. I have a few more videos planned and a couple more shows that I'm going to go to later this year. So let me know what y'all want to see more of. If you want to see some more products put on this. But like I said, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time. Later.